Has your shoulder pain been giving you a hard time and you feel like you've had enough? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we'll be showing you 3 phases of exercises you can do to stabilize the shoulder joint and fix your shoulder pain. As mentioned in the last part of our series, the shoulder joint is the most mobile joint in the body, but it lacks stability, therefore making it more prone to injury. In order to compensate for this, the rotator cuff muscle stabilizes the shoulder joint. However, weakness of this muscle group can cause the humeral head to translate upwards, causing impingement between the humeral head and the acromion. For more information on shoulder impingement, please see the link in the description. Luckily, we have a solution. By getting the rotator cuff stronger, we can ensure that the humeral head is once again correctly positioned in its socket, therefore drastically improving your pain. The goal of this phase is to start loading the muscles while limiting movement. This will begin the strengthening process while aiding in pain relief. For the first exercise, you'll want to roll up a towel or a small pillow and position it between your body and the inside of your arm. Then, stand against a wall with your upper arm in line with the midpoint of your body and elbows bent to 90 degrees. Push into the wall with the outer surface of your hand and hold for 15 seconds. Rest and repeat for a total of 3 sets per side. Similar to the last exercise, roll up a towel or a small pillow and position it between your body and the inside of your arm. Stand with your upper arm in line with the midpoint of your body and elbow bent to 90 degrees. You then want to push in the direction of your body into the pillow and hold for 15 seconds. Rest and repeat for a total of 3 sets. For the next exercise, while keeping your elbows extended and in line with the shoulder joint, you then want to lean towards a solid surface, such as a desk or a counter. Then round your shoulders as if you are pushing into the surface and return to neutral. Rest and repeat for a total of 10 repetitions for 3 sets. This stage is focused on increasing the strength of the rotator cuff in order to correct the muscle imbalance and pull the shoulder back into its optimal position. For the next few exercises, you will require a simple TheraBand. It is recommended that you start with a low resistance. The band can be inserted in a door sill or anchored on a sturdy object to ensure it is secure, or tied to a pole on the opposite side of the body. For the first exercise, start with your upper arm in line with the midpoint of your body and elbow bent to 90 degrees. Place a rolled towel or small pillow between your body and the inside of your arm to ensure vertical alignment of the upper arm. You then want to pull the band away from your body while keeping your upper arm in a fixed position. Rest and repeat for a total of 10 repetitions for 3 sets per side. For this exercise, you'll want to stand with your arm in line with the midpoint of your body and elbows slightly bent. With the band secured on the upper horizontal surface of the door, you want to pull the band towards your body. Rest and repeat for a total of 10 repetitions for 3 sets per side. For this exercise, start in push-up position while keeping elbows extended and in line with the shoulder joint. As done in the last exercise, round your shoulders as if you are pushing into the ground, then return to neutral. Rest and repeat for a total of 10 repetitions for 3 sets. This last stage consists of more advanced exercises which combine several of the movements in previous stages and is aimed at more functional tasks so you can get back to the activities that are important to you. For this exercise, you want to position the TheraBand slightly above the level of the waist, while wrapped around a pole or once again secured in a door sill. You then want to grip the ends of the TheraBand with each hand and pull towards the body. It is important to squeeze the shoulder blades together at the end of the movement to ensure we engage our rhomboid muscles, which is what we are trying to target. Rest and repeat for a total of 10 repetitions for 3 sets. For this exercise, you want to anchor the TheraBand at the level of the opposite hip while grasping the end. You then want to pull up and across the body with a slight bend in the elbow, mimicking a sword draw movement. Rest and repeat for a total of 10 repetitions for 3 sets per side. For the last exercise, you want to start in standing position. You then want to wrap the TheraBand around your upper back while grasping each end securely. Position your arms parallel to the floor with your elbow in relative extension. You then want to roll your shoulders forward in a controlled manner as if you were hugging a tree. Rest and repeat for a total of 10 repetitions for 3 sets. There you have it, a few simple exercises to help realign your shoulder and fix your shoulder pain. I hope you found this information useful. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.